Part 3 of the bar stool. Here we go. So let's start adding some things. So first thing we're going to add is a rail. So we're going to start with a sketch. I'm going to do it up on the side here. And basically, I'm just going to start with a center point rectangle. Doesn't matter what rectangle you start with in this case. And we're going to go 2. And we're going to make this one 5, let's say. All right, so there's our start. We click on Finish Sketch. Now the next thing, I shouldn't have finished sketch. So we're going to right mouse click back on the sketch. If you don't see it right here, it's hidden. Here, we expand this, and I'm going to right mouse click, go edit sketch, and I'm going to go finish it now. All right, so I'm going to grab a line, and that line is going to start from down the bottom, and I'm going to come up, and you see the 90 degrees. As I tip over, I can get different angles. So I'm going to tab over, and I want this one to be 84. It's actually 6 degrees off. All right, so there's 84 there. And again, take this line over here to this side, a line, and it's 90. If I go back this way, you can see it's go increasing this time, so we want 96. Right? Now 96, not on the length, so we're going to back that up and go to 3. And I hit tab, and this time go 96. Right? So there's my angles. So now I'm going to go T for trim, and I'm going to trim out all the stuff that we don't want. So we're going to get rid of all this stuff. I mean, get rid of that stuff there. Okay, get rid of that one, get rid of that one, get rid of that, and get rid of that. So now we have our actual piece. And the only thing we're going to change is I'm actually going to delete this one down here, the 5, and I'm going to make it as 5 up top. And this will come later. We'll explain it, 5 there. All right, so now we're 5 there, and I'm also going to add a dimension down here, keep it as 2. All right, there's our piece done. We hit Finish Sketch. We'll just tip it off to the side here. We go to extrude, and I can pull it out, or I can simply type in 3/4 because our wood is going to be 3/4. And there we go. There's our piece. Now the last thing is our leg was at 6 degrees. We need to take this and change that to 6 degrees. So all I'm going to do is go to Modify. I'm going to go to Chamfer. I'm going to take this top one. Okay. And up here, I want to make sure that it says distance and angle. So I'm going to take my distance is 3/4. So 3/4. And my angle is 6 degrees. Now you see it went the wrong way. So over here, there's a flip. So I'm going to click on flip, and it goes the right way. All right? And we click on OK. So now what we've got is that angle at 6 degrees. That'll eventually match up that. So we're going to stop here. We're going to join, and then we're going to do something called an array. So on to part 4.